guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. So hey guys, this is a MG Gloster, 4-wheel drive obviously. So this is a car of MG and this is 4-wheel drive obviously. So it's competition to the Endeavour and Fortuner. So let's check the performance of the vehicle now when driving the test drive. Soon I'm going to upload the walk around video also. And let's meet first Shriyal Boring from Banjaras showroom MG. Please visit, and I'm not revealing the price of the vehicle. Please please visit the contact details in the description, and let's check the on-road price, ex-showroom, etc. about you. So the performance is very nice, and this is a very big car in the segments of SUVs. So I'm very much impressed of the size of the vehicle by seeing, and also in the driving also. So overall, coming to the engine displacements, it get 1996 cc engine displacement and two-wheel turbocharged diesel engine. So you get only a single engine option with the turbocharged diesel engine, no petrol engines on offer at this. Obviously at the SUVs it will be only a diesel engines. It is perfect vehicle. And coming to the steering feed and feedback is very nice. Riding in city rides is very difficult of this size of the vehicle. So I like the best feature is no sound inside the cabin. That's a perfect. So friends, here you can see the sensors all over the car, 360-degree cameras, and at this size of the car obviously it should be the sensors. And coming to the technology of the vehicle, this is a perfect car at this price segment and in this displacements of comparison of other variants cars, all the SUVs. So coming to Fortuner and Endeavour, the technology has been some older side. This is the MG all new technology platform to our Indian market, and the tires size comes with the 19 inches at this SUV. So suspension is also very nice, smooth suspension, as new suspension has given to this Gloster MG. So once again, I'm not saying the price of the vehicle. Please visit the showroom. So please visit the showroom and check the ex-showroom price and pick up the vehicle. So who are interested in the MG branding, so obviously all the new technologies and new generation has been added to this MG Gloster.
As you can see that the car is giving the maintenance distance. So the best part about the car is that as soon as you get the maintenance notification, it will be informing you about it. Second thing is that it is giving you the voltage, how much voltage it is consuming while it is there. AdBlue notification is also there. So 2100 kilometer it is showing 21 liter. That means 1 liter is equal to 1000 kilometers. As well as the tire pressure monitoring system. You can watch it over here, as well as you can look it at the MID screen also. 6.4 kilometer per liter. It is giving you the city condition mileage right now, because as you know that it completely depends on the driving skill how it works on. Second thing that it is showing you all of the location. I mean to say if you're traveling, yeah, one more thing, fuel range is also there, 217 kilometers. Currently if you are traveling at this speed, if this mileage is there, then it will give you 217 kilometers. The instant fuel mileage, that is 5 kilometer per liter. So in this way, and this is the digital speedometer that will be helping you out to just check everything, that everything is okay or not, if it is not working, or if it is showing a very analog kind of a figure on the car.
So coming to the engine placement, other side it get 1996 cc engine. Coming to the power of the vehicle, it get 215 bhp of power at 4000 rpm and 480 newton meters of torque at 1500 to 2500 rpm. So now I'm in the drive mode. There are total 4 to 5 modes on offer. You get only the automatic transmission with the 8-speed gearbox, the smooth shift of gearbox, only lacking in the starting point of the vehicle because of this huge car, and the engine should be some refinable for sometimes, and then only the performance will be very nice on offer. So this car is not to cruise in the city rides and in the metropolitan cities. This car is only for the long journeys with the comfortable rides, and overall this is a very luxurious car, I can say, with the platform of MG as new, and it's look like some BMW interior feeling, and the touches of the premium comfort feeling is very nice.
Right curve ahead.
The steering feel is very nice at this size of the car. Also steering is very nice performing at this wheel size. So overall the design made of this car is very nice. I am very much impressed and giving 10 out of 10 to this car. Actually I should not give the rating of this car, but I'm giving to this car. And you get coming to the fuel side, you get 75 liters of fuel tank capacity on this offer. The mileage comes around 12 liters in the city rides, and also 15 kilometers per liter in highways obviously. So the maintaining of this car is very easy and simple because of the new technology has been added. And let's check the top speed.
So as you can see that the car is going to be zooming towards the 80 km per hour. Now you'll be getting to know the overspeeding notification as well as some of the most remarkable features also. So in this car it is showing you some of the lane departure warning, everything. So at this speed it will be giving you the best notification after 120 km per hour that we are overspeeding, we are diverting from our path, we are diverting from our lane. So in this way it is showing you how our car has a good stability control, as well as you can see that our steering wheel control is also very much good at the speed of 40 to 120 km per hour, because the thing is that vehicle is stable when it comes to driving on to the speed of higher speed. So in this way at the speed of 80 also you are capturing a very good vehicle control onto this car.
So you get all over the car sensors is very nice performing. So you can easily maneuver it in the city rides, but only the problem is you should be faced to this, you should be handling the facing of this problem, I mean facing of the MG Gloster. And once you are habituated to this car, it's easy to ride in the city rides also, nothing much difficult of scared of this riding the car of MG Gloster. So overall, coming to the MG segments of all the cars, this is a huge biggest car segment. And MG Hector Plus has been recently launched with the 7-seater, and some of the changes has been done. And coming to MG Hector and Gloster is a lot of difference between both the cars. We should not compare that. Coming to the segments of all the SUVs comes with competition in the market with the Fortuner, obviously with the Endeavour. Endeavour is almost same as a 4-wheel drive. Now Endeavour also changed into the 2.2 liters, and before it has 3.2 liters of turbocharged diesel engine. Now it has become to the 2.2 petrol engine, and now all the segments of cars has been becoming 2 liters because of the safety features of Indian market side. So easily you can handle and easily you can ride the car. The steering, I like the main part of the car is steering. So diesel engine, this is a diesel engine, and nothing much to say of this car. So compared to other car, this is a perfect best car as per my opinion. Coming to the price segment, also decent enough, nothing much. So you get sports mode, desert mode, snow mode, rain mode. So overall there are modes offer on also on this car. Actually you get 4-wheel drive on offer. That's the best feature compared to Endeavour. 4-wheel drive is best. Brakes are too good performing, all the 4 disc brakes on offer. Coming to the ground clearance of the vehicle, there is no ground clearance as mentioned as MG, because massive enough of ground clearance for 4-wheel drive. So now I'm riding in the Hyderabad of Banjaras Road around the KBR Park. So the sound inside the cabin is very nice. Zero mean, I mean like 60% of outside the sounds has been decreasing, and cabin sound is very nice. No engine sound inside the cabin. Actually diesel engines will be more sound, and obviously after refine the engine also will be more sounds to inside the cabin, but MG has been designed very nice on. So I'm very much impressed of riding this test drive of this MG Gloster. Actually Gloster is a Gloster, the name kept for MG is Gloster is very nice, perfect name. Really the size of the car is Gloster only. So I will add the description contact details of the showroom of Banjaras Road number 2. Please visit and get the test drive. And if you have any doubts, please visit Shrey Prasha sir. And if you have any doubts of the car, he will be definitely explaining the car. So overall this is a video of today's MG Gloster. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you till not subscribe to MotorBiz channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you guys, see you in the next video soon, and soonly I'm going to upload the walk around video also. Bye bye.